Not a MidJourney, not any AI tool. This is a website I will show you. This will blow your mind in just 2 minutes. I will tell you full details how it works and how results work. I will give you prompts also, and I will generate many images. 2 images I will generate, which will useful to you can use as examples for my YouTube channel. You to subscribe and like our content. So let's start. This website name is Leonardo.ai, and you can get many types of prompts, and you can use prompt magic. You can also use a dimensional. You can upload your own image and convert into AI image, and there are many prompts like YouTube prompt also there, and there are image dimensions you can set. You can for images you can create images, but in a upgrade version you will get only total one token, means one image. So I will generate a image of bird flying. So I will type, so it will generate a image. So generate. So I will generate a Leonardo diffusion. So it will generate. Click on generate. It will take some time, but it will generate the best image. So generating. Like and subscribe our channel for more this type of contents. So I will generate a second image which is a human. So I will click on generate. So it will take some time, but it will generate a image which is a very vast and very beautiful, and it will help your in content. You can use in your content like marketing, gaming, and etc. Or you can use in tag. So it's some time because it's a new AI tool. So you can see, like and subscribe our channel for more content. Bye bye.